Hello there, welcome to Wireless Solutions. Today we are diving into the essential tips and tricks on how to free up space on Android phone. It is indeed annoying when we want to capture many photos on a vacation but our phone storage is already full. Now, how to solve this problem? One of the most persistent issues faced by Android users is the notorious other category in device storage. This catch-all category accumulates a multitude of temporary files, cache, residual data from apps, and various other miscellaneous items that can quickly eat up your storage space over time. These files often go unnoticed until your device starts running low on storage, prompting you to take action. Managing the other category is crucial for maintaining optimal performance and reclaiming valuable storage space on your Android device. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to effectively tackle this issue. Number 1. Turning off your phone. There are a lot of different ways to free up space in the other category on Android devices. Okay, so now the first thing we are going to do, we're gonna press the power button for like 15 seconds until the phone turns off. Let us do it. Keep and hold down the power button until your phone turns off. Okay, once you see your logo on the screen, release the power button. Let us wait until this phone is on to show you. Now, just by doing that, you will free up some space in the other category. Let us wait. Okay, unlock your phone. Number 2. Deleting temporary files. Let us go ahead and open the Settings app. To check the detailed storage breakdown on your Android device, start by opening the Settings app. Locate the section labeled About Phone. Tap on it to access more specific information about your device. From there, find and tap on Storage. This will open up the storage settings page, where you can see a comprehensive breakdown of how your device storage is being utilized. For instance, you will find categories such as apps and data currently occupying 36.54 gigabytes, images taking up 4.11 gigabytes, audio using 299 MB, video consuming 51.15 gigabytes, APKs or app installation files using 137 MB, documents occupying 169 MB, system files accounting for 7.99 gigabytes, and the overall system taking up 13.99 gigabytes. This breakdown helps you understand which types of data are occupying the most space on your device, allowing you to manage storage more effectively. So that is the first thing you need to do. First, restart your phone to free up and then delete some temporary files. Now let us jump to the next step. Let us start over. Number 3. Backup and restore. Okay, let us go ahead and open the File Manager app. Then let us go ahead and tap on that little folder right here. Then let us go ahead and open the MIWI folder. Then let's go ahead and tap on All Backup. So you are going to see different backups in this folder. Let's go ahead and select all those backups. Long press on any of those folders. Then you will see right here, delete and delete this folder. Okay, now those backups were using a lot of space on your phone, and that is because your phone was saving all the data from all the apps that your phone has right now. So, but I think that is not necessarily. Just choose the apps that you want to do the backup. Like 5, 6 apps, and that will free up a lot of space, guys. Let me show you how to do it. Now let us go ahead and open the settings. Scroll down, let's go ahead and tap on Additional Settings. Let's scroll all the way down until you see the settings. Backup and restore. Okay, now let's go ahead and tap on mobile device. Then let's go ahead and tap on third-party apps and data. Okay, now guys, as you can see, that is what I am talking about. Your phone was saving all the data from all these apps right here. So just turn off the third-party apps and app data, and just choose manually the apps that you really need on your phone to do the backup in the future. Okay, like files, this app that's saying. So do the same thing with the setting, other system app data. And right here, just turn off the setting and choose the app that you need the data in case you restart your phone. Factory reset your phone, you will keep those data. But you don't have to save the data from all the apps, guys. That is not necessary. They use a lot of space. So after you select all the apps, then let's go ahead and tap on backup. Okay, then got it. Then just wait until this process finishes. My process took a surprisingly long time, about 35 minutes to be exact. I'm not entirely sure why it took so long, but it felt like a considerable wait. After completing that step, let me now demonstrate the next procedure. Number 4. Deep clean. Let us go ahead and open the security app, then scroll down until you see this action, Deep Clean. Now, what is the purpose of Deep Clean, by the way? Deep Clean on a phone serves the purpose of thoroughly clearing out unnecessary files and data that accumulate over time, aiming to optimize storage space and improve device performance. This feature typically scans through various areas of the phone such as app cache, residual files, temporary data, and other unused items that may be taking up valuable storage. By removing those unnecessary files, Deep Clean not only helps reclaim storage space but also can potentially enhance the speed and responsiveness of the device. It is particularly useful for users who notice their phone slowing down or running out of storage, providing an easy and effective way to maintain the device efficiency and usability over time. Let's go ahead and tap on Deep Clean. Now scroll all the way down until you see this action right here, App Data. Click on OK. Let's go ahead and tap on Click Now. Then right here, select all the apps on this section, and let us go ahead and click on Delete Data. Press OK. That also will free up a lot of space on your phone, guys, including the other category. Before I forget, let me show you something else. Let us go ahead and tap on Settings. Scroll down until you see Battery. Let's go ahead and tap on Battery. Now let's go ahead and tap on Additional Features. And then let us go ahead and tap on Clear Cache when device is locked. Let's go ahead and tap on the settings and just make sure you have 5 minutes. When you set your phone to automatically delete cache files during idle periods, you are effectively managing temporary data that apps store for faster operation. These cache files can accumulate over time and contribute to the other category in your device storage. By deleting them automatically when your phone is not in use, you prevent this category from bloating with unnecessary data. This proactive approach ensures that your phone maintains optimal performance by keeping storage space clear and reducing the risk of slowdowns due to excessive data buildup. It is a straightforward yet effective method to ensure your device runs smoothly and efficiently. Efficiently managing storage on your Android phone is crucial for optimal performance and keeping space free for new apps and updates. Start by clearing app cache and deleting unnecessary files like old downloads and media. Utilize tools like Deep Clean to automate this process. Consider transferring large files to cloud storage to further optimize space. Regularly review and manage system files to maintain performance. By adopting these practices, you will ensure your Android phone runs smoothly and efficiently, enhancing your overall user experience. Taking these steps proactively will keep your device responsive and ready for whatever you need it to do. And that is all there is. We hope that these meaningful solutions brightens your day. And if you find this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Your support means a lot to us. Thank you so much, and we hope to see you in our next video.